Welcome to Live Healthy with Judith, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to make one of the healthiest swallow you can imagine. This swallow is rich in fiber, gluten-free, low in carbs, and highly nutritious. We're using our dehydrated tiger nut shaft. The milk is already extracted out, and this is how it is. It's still looking very rough. So what I'll first of all do is to use my blender to crush this until it is smoothing out and well granulated. All I just simply want to do is to ensure that there are no more seeds in my tiger nut. So this will enable me to have a very smooth swallow. Now that this is well grounded, I'm going to transfer this into a bowl, and all I'm simply doing is to ensure that there are no seeds left. So I'm going to examine this that I've transferred in a bowl to check if I'm going to encounter any seed or rough edges. And then if I come across a seed like that, I would simply crush it with my hands. But all you simply need to do is to ensure that there are no seeds in your tiger nut. Now basically we are going to move into our next step. It is to add a binder to it, because some persons use psyllium ox, but the binder I'm using is our rice flour. This rice flour is easy to access and get. You can also use semovita. You can also use grounded oats. This will ensure that the tiger nut swallow is properly binded without falling off or breaking, and it's also easy to roll in your hands and the rest of it. So after giving it a proper mix to ensure that everything is fully incorporated, I will then take a portion of this out into a smaller plate where I'm going to be mixing with water. So I'm going to turn this one in the plate into a paste, and I'll be adding half cup of water to this tiger nut and stir properly so as to avoid it forming any lump or having any seed. And this is how it would look afterwards. It will get to that paste consistency, but try as much as possible not to dilute with too much water. You can add the water little by little, and then when you're done, you can set out by boiling your water. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the like button, give us a thumbs up for this video, and what you think about this video, place it in the comment section. We would love to read them. So what I'm doing is to first of all pour the already dissolved tiger nut into the hot water, and I'm stirring properly. Then I cover it for up to 5 minutes, and when it is formed, you can see it forming a thick kind of consistency. So I try to stir it to avoid it having any form of lumps or seed. And then you stir this properly while you're adding the dried tiger nuts little by little. So like I said, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Would love to have you in this family, because everything we do here is all about healthy lifestyle, nutrition, natural remedies, and so much stuff that you would love. So try as much as possible to incorporate all of the tiger nut mix properly, and then turn with your spatula. I'm also going to be adding a little quantity of water to this while I cover it to sit on the fire for up to 3 minutes. So while this is getting ready, while this is boiling, while this is cooking, I am getting my nylon ready to wrap. So this tiger nut will be ready in like 2 to 3 minutes, and you can enjoy. I bet you this tiger nut is one of the healthiest tiger nuts. And if you try this the first time, you would definitely not want to continue eating your gari, your fufu, your poundo, and the rest of it. So I added a little quantity because after examining the swallow, I discovered that it was kind of like too light. So I added a bit of the tiger nut flour to it so as to give it a little thickness. And then when I felt like it was okay, I gave it a proper stir, and then I mixed it and ensured that it was well incorporated. So while I'm turning this for the next 2 minutes, we are all getting set, and now we're done. So all I'm simply going to do here is to cut this Tigernut swallow. Right now my fire is already off, so it is not on, it is not cooking, so it's off. So I'm going to be cutting this in the portion and size that I want, and I'm going to be wrapping it with a nylon. Then after this, our swallow is ready to enjoy. See how yummy, delicious and nutritious it is looking. This swallow is suitable for everyone, and even children would love it. So this is how I enjoyed my own Tigernut swallow with egusi soup. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. So don't forget to share this video with someone else. Until I see you again in our next video. Bye.